This video will demonstrate how to view scanned datasets with multiple bytes in CS Model Plus version 4. In this example, I've scanned the patient with the CS3700 and CS ScanFlow, and I have used the multiple byte acquisition feature to obtain 3 different bytes. From the Tools pane in the Review tab, I'll select Run Registration Wizard. The jaw alignment window opens, and I can see the scanned model in occlusion. I can also view the 3 different bytes that were captured, and they are listed below the scanned dataset. From this window, I'll select which of the 3 bytes that I would like to use to align the maxilla and mandible for this model. Beginning with the normal byte, I can click and drag the mouse to rotate the model to change the view as needed. Here we can see the patient has a posterior open byte. I can select Extra Byte 1, and now you can see that the model updates, and I can again click and drag to rotate and review the dataset. I can also select Extra Byte 2, and again click and drag to rotate and review the dataset. I can easily select the various bytes, and the dataset will automatically update as each byte is selected. Once I've selected the preferred byte acquisition, I can make small adjustments as needed. I'll hover over the arrow and click and drag the mouse to move the maxilla slightly. Notice the occlusal map to the right updates in real time to show the impact of the byte modification. I can rotate the view of the model and can change the angle of the maxilla by clicking on the circular part of the movement tool. This activates the rotation feature, which allows me to click and drag to change the angle of the maxilla to adjust the byte. I can click the undo arrow at any time to revert back to the previous state of the model. In this case, clicking undo removes the rotation adjustment that I just made. If I click undo again, the translation adjustment is removed. Notice that Extra Byte 1 is now highlighted again, and the byte has been restored to the byte that was captured during the initial acquisition process. With Extra Byte 1 selected, I'll click Save to continue. The model is displayed in the Review tab with the selected byte. This concludes the video on viewing multiple byte acquisitions in CS Model Plus.